The security and screen door market is thriving. In fact, a security or screen door is installed on a home in the U.S. every 3 seconds as the category enjoys 25% annual growth within the $54 billion residential security market. The only way to meet this demand has been through aftermarket products, ultimately making the proposition more expensive for the consumer and leaving you no way to tap into this revenue stream. That is, until now. Thanks to a series of innovations from Advanced Screen Systems, you can now offer your customers a pre-hung, integrated entry and security or pet-resistant screen door with OEM fit and finish as an upgrade to their entry door purchase. The patent-pending system mounts between the entry door jambs and comes pre-hung as a single unit from the door shop. Slip hinges make for quick removal of the screen panel at the job site, allowing you to follow your current entry door installation procedure. Once the pre-hung entry door unit is installed level and plumb, just drive the mounting screws provided through the frame and jamb, replace the screen panel, and proceed to final trim, prep, and paint. Both available options, a security screen door and pet-resistant screen door, feature the patent-protected MeshTech Advanced Screen System. A high-tensile strength woven stainless steel mesh, MeshTech delivers unparalleled performance, resisting common forced entry methods while preserving a full view, maximizing airflow, providing an insect barrier, cutting UV transfer, and standing up to household pets of all sizes. The MeshTech screen system pairs with a vault-style 3-point lock to create the ultimate security screen door, passing stringent international standards for impact, shear, and pry resistance. Paired with a single-point lock, the high-tensile strength, woven stainless steel screen provides a durable, pet-resistant screen door that stands up to paws and claws like nothing else available on the market today, providing an entry to the $96 billion pet product marketplace. The safety and security of the family home is a significant driver in consumer purchase decisions today. So too is the desire to enjoy healthy cross-ventilation and energy savings without compromising that security. Now with the patent-pending pre-hung system and the revolutionary performance of genuine MeshTech screen, you can take full advantage of the opportunity this creates, delivering incremental revenue, increased margin, and incredible performance.